What is anti-aliasing? First, we need to know about aliasing. What is aliasing? My left, we have got a analog line. We first take an analog line. When we convert the analog line to digital line, it creates some jaggies or straight line effects. We will now move on the real life example. I find out here Photoshop. Photoshop is more or less used by those of us who works in graphics. This option use anti-aliasing option. When we give select none, anti-aliasing will be off. Here creates some jaggies or straight line effects, but when we give sharp, aliasing reduced and anti-aliasing will be on. Here we see that this curved so smooth, jaggies or straight line reduced. I hope everybody understand that aliasing and anti-aliasing. Our slide. When we convert analog line to digital line, it creates some jaggies or straight line effects. Thank you.